Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep watching.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
So on February 16th was my 12 months mark. I am officially 1 year transitioning to natural hair. I am so excited. Trying to do text, but I realized that voiceover is much easier, so I'll just stick to doing voiceovers. Anyways, for this hairstyle you will need water, gel, and I like to use an edge brush. It smooths the gel better for me. And hair ties. Rubber bands, not so safe. It pulls the hair. So I recommend using the small hair ties. It's so much better. The one without the metal. So, yeah. As you can see, I did 4 sections in the front, and then I'll be starting on the second row. So I did 4 in the front and 6 in the back. And this is where we're gonna start connecting from front to back. You can connect anywhere you want, any piece to whichever you choose, but you can watch what I do and also do the same. Wow, that was like a math problem just now. I'll be putting the front half in a ponytail, and then I'll be starting on my flexi rod sets. I already have a video on how I do my flexi rod sets, and I'll link that video down in the description box. All done. So now I'll be tying my hair with a scarf just to make sure it's flat, smooth, and nice, no frizz. And also because it's bedtime. So it's the next day. Let's see the results. Did this hairstyle on my relaxed hair 2 years ago. The style came out so cute. My hair was longer and the curls were more defined. OMG, I loved it. Let's see the result for this one. So this is my result. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share with your friends, comment any questions that you have. Thank you again.